And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find a channel on YouTube. For that, you will have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, in order to find any of the channels very quickly, the first method is of simply searching for it. So you need to click on this magnifying icon in the top right hand corner. This is the search icon, and here you just have to simply type the channel or the show or the movie that you want to basically view. After that, it will instantly show you all of the shows here. So you just have to simply click on that and you will be able to view it. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply press the live option here in the top, and now it will show you all of the channels. So you can use the arrow keys, or you can scroll to your remote in order to navigate through these channels very fast. Now if you want to get quick access to your favorite channels or to your favorite movies or TV shows, you need to go to the settings, and in your settings you will be able to see the live guide option. So you need to move your top channels in the front from that list. If you don't know how to arrange that, I have created a detailed video on this topic, and I will also link that down in the description. So next time you just have to press the last channel button on your remote to show between the recent channels instantly. So this is how you can basically find your favorite channels on YouTube TV very quickly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.